Cristiano. If you hear the name Manny or Pacquiao, you're not thinking Manny.
This is a people's champ right here. Everyone loves Manny.
Oh, hold on here. As long as his balance and his stamina, Ugas some 4 years ago, in which he sits a week, and he says he feels a lot younger because of that.
Perhaps here in this fight so far for Manny Pacquiao, moving a lot more. Feet movement, the quickness, and there it is. Every time that Barrios throws punches, he lands.
You can get Manny Pacquiao walking backwards
To the body from Manny Pacquiao. Let's not forget, beautiful left hand to the face from Manny.
That right cross from Barrios landed flush, however. It's the back and forth between these two fighters. You could feel the tension. And also
Last round, the shots, the straight punches, the right hand to the body are landing easy right now on Manny Pacquiao, and I love that. He gets back to that jab. Straight punches.